Eastwood, turn me up. I'm trying to remain one of the illest, cause all they needed was someone to kill it, I kill it. I gotta remain one of the illest, cause all they needed was someone to kill it, I'm kill it. I'm trying to remain one of the illest, cause all they needed was someone to kill it, I kill it. I gotta remain one of the illest, cause all they needed was someone to kill it, so kill it.
Chad James, #1 contender, someone to remember, coming from Virginia, you should check the shit that he on, walking the fine line, it's prime time and I'm Dion, and all I do is smoke weed and write rhymes, I'm on my last lifeline, they told me be patient, Chad, this shit could take a lifetime, had to leave my ex-bitch, I'm working on this flow, and right now my future's looking pretty than my next bitch, I'm hotter than a summer blaze, you should come and gaze. I got a bar in the Sunday rays, looking at these lames trying to sabotage the game, but I'm cooking up some flames, so I'd rather not complain. Don't compare me, you can clearly see that Chaz is not the same. I roll around, rolling loud, trying to pacify the pain. I swear it take me higher than higher. I just write till I'm tired, like I'm inspired, igniting the fire. Writing verses ready to bomb shit, Saddam shit. In my city, trying to stay calm shit, LeBron shit. I'm raps makeover like lipstick and mascara. They say I'm rapping like a nigga from a past era. Maybe 9-9, more like 9-8. Define great, how much longer will the time take? It don't really matter cause they gon' always hate him. I know I'ma always have bars like the state pen, cause every time I'm spitting they be like, what am I on? I'm the one you need to keep your eye on. Boy, I swear I'm so cool, slow pulls of the cigarette. Weed stinking, thinking why I ain't that nigga yet? I be that nigga soon, cause this nigga raw. We not the same, I got the game in the figure 4. Run and tell your friends that I'm deadly with the pen. Get ready for the end, cause I'm ready to begin. Chaz James.
Trying to remain one of the illest, cause all they need is someone to kill it.
Eastwood, we here. Chaz James.
One of the illest,
Here you go.
all they need is someone to kill it,
Nah.
Trying to remain one of the illest, cause all they need is someone to kill it, I gotta remain one of the illest, cause all they need